Hi everyone, this is Jack Ekholm with your weekly market update. Last week, markets pulled back with the NASDAQ falling about 2%, the S&P 500 down 1.4%, and the Dow off roughly 0.8%. Small caps also declined, but the bigger story was in bonds, where the 30-year Treasury yield climbed to 5.27%, its highest level in nearly 2 decades. Gold and Bitcoin also moved higher, with both reaching their highest levels in over 3 months. This week, investors will get several important economic updates. On Wednesday, we'll see the Personal Consumption Expenditures, or PCE Inflation Index, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, along with the estimate of second quarter GDP. Then on Friday, Fed Chair Kevin Warsh will speak at the Jackson Hole Economic Policy Symposium, where investors will be watching closely for clues on future interest rate policy. Last week, U.S. national debt crossed $40 trillion for the first time. The milestone contributed to a sell-off in treasuries amid concerns over U.S. fiscal health and persistent inflation, pushing up long-term treasury yields and adding to equity market volatility. In response, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent announced that the Treasury would double its bond buyback program to $4 billion per session, with the goal of curbing rising long-term interest rates. For investors, we continue to believe that maintaining diversification and staying focused on long-term objectives is critical during periods like these of increased volatility. If you have any questions about the markets or your portfolio, please reach out to your trusted Paladin advisor. And from all of us here at Paladin, have a great week.